Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pie tart. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring your butter is very cold. Combine 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt in a food processor. Pulse briefly, then add 16 tablespoons of cold, cubed unsalted butter. Pulse until the mixture resembles coarse meal, then add 4 to 6 tablespoons of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough just comes together. Form into a disc and chill. Once your dough is properly chilled, lightly flour your work surface and roll it out evenly to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Carefully transfer the rolled dough into a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom, gently pressing it into the fluted sides. Trim any excess dough. Prick the bottom with a fork, then line the crust with parchment paper and fill with pie weights or dried beans. Blind bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then remove the weights and bake for another 5 to 7 minutes until lightly golden. Now for the exciting part, the filling. The beauty of a tart is its versatility. For a sweet treat, consider a vibrant fruit filling, a rich chocolate ganache, or a creamy lemon curd. If you prefer savory, a classic quiche Lorraine, a roasted vegetable and goat cheese combination, or a spinach and feta blend are excellent choices. Always ensure your filling is prepared and cooled slightly before adding it to your baked crust to prevent a soggy bottom. After your tart is baked and cooled, it's time for the final presentation. Garnish sweet tarts with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a light dusting of powdered sugar. For savory tarts, a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives adds a lovely touch. Always let your tart cool completely before slicing to ensure clean, beautiful pieces. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.